Okay, I made it to Aveiro and there's a lot of wind, so hopefully you can hear me, but there are these boat rides. Like this is one. I just saw something in the water. I think I saw a seal. I think I just saw a seal diving down. That's crazy. Okay, but these are the boats. And I'm thinking about going onto the boat. Oh, it was not a seal, it was a bird. Never mind. But one great thing is the sun is coming out. Look, the sun is here for at least a little while. There are some clouds, but at least we have some sun finally. It feels like Belgium. It truly feels like Belgium. To the left of me we have some beautiful construction. Very nice. I find some information. If you want to read it, pause the video. I'm not gonna read it, it's way too much information. Now I'll have a look inside. Just for the record, I am lost again. I have no clue where I'm walking to. No clue where I am. So I'm kind of hungry and I want to like eat pizza because it's been a long time. So I'm looking for a place that's like an Italian restaurant or something. Then after we can go on the boat ride. Do you speak English? Little. Do you have place?
One person?
Yeah.
Yes. Passa pra pessoa marcar do lado, ela diz assim, na frente dele, ó, esse artigo de vocês aqui precisa de revisão disso, isso e isso. Aí volta pra gente. E a gente só organiza aquele lote, como a gente faz só um técnico, em geral,
I kid you not, something really weird has happened. I was never expecting them to set my pizza on fire. I don't know why. Is it normal? If there's an Italian watching this, please let me know if it's normal to set your pizza on fire, because in Belgium I've never had it happen that my pizza was set on fire, and I didn't know what to do. I was just like, should I blow it out? Should I wait? Should I... There were also no instructions. She just put the pizza down, take out the launcher, or like, what is she doing? Is she like trying to like, well, I don't know what the word is, like flamberen? It's like to heat it up. I have no idea. It was a really weird experience. It was, maybe they saw the camera and they thought, oh, we're gonna do something special for this guy. But hey, it was a special experience. Now we need to find a place where I can get a ride on the boat through the city, and then we can head out and find another place. The sun is gone again. The sun decided to leave. Get onto the boat. It was 15 euros. They're gonna leave in 10 minutes, so I have 10 minutes. I'm chilling in the boat. It's 45 minutes. It's 45 minutes ride, but I think it's worth it. The boat is nicely decorated. Pretty colorful boats.
And then the seeds have to fertilize them.
Ah,
This
yeah.
was working boats. The gondola was a taxi boat. This was working boats. Salt and seaweed. See this bridge over there, the ribbons? The people that, in some cities they put locks. Over there they put ribbons. The people buy ribbon, you can buy ribbon also. In this city they are free.
Okay.
Just pick up a basket, give your name on your name over here,
Yeah.
and 2 hours, the basket
And you can use it through the whole city.
to visit all the city.
That's amazing. How many are there? Or a lot?
Only 8.
8.
Like this one, 8.
Okay.
240 now, only 8.
Yeah.
That's the seaweed. Okay. You pick up the seaweed, you dry it. This is so good.
Okay, so the tour was nice. Was nothing special. They just explained me a little bit about the history. That there 5 years ago they used seaweed. But actually the tour, I mean, it's nice, but it's the same as walking. You can just walk it. Well, you don't get the information and the pictures. But it's basically, well, go on the tour to support the tourism here, because this city runs on tourism. But I think it was that special. But the staff was really friendly. The man who explained everything was also really friendly. I got a picture of myself, and I bought it because it was a little big, but I'm trying to find a place to hang it up in the car. So yeah, that's about it about Aveiro. Made it back to the van. This is the picture I bought. Look at me standing here. I'm so awkward in pictures. Well, at least I have a memory on the boat. I find a place to hang it up in my car later. The next thing, I could go to more museums, but I already spent enough money in this city and I don't want to spend the night here next to highway. So the next step is to drive more south and find a nice place to sleep. Oh, I just found something interesting because my shovel is rusting here. This part is rusting. It's dripping on my car. The rust. Look, you can see the rust going down. This is not good because if you keep it like that, then the whole side of the car is gonna rust. Look at this. There are scratches here. Don't know for what, from what, don't know from when. But if they get filled with rust, wow, it doesn't look nice. The struggles of owning a car, owning an overland vehicle. Yeah, I probably should have bought a shovel that's rated for, or that's not gonna rust, but you know me. Well, and these scratches, I don't think they were actually here. I can't remember if there were scratches here. Okay, see you all in the sleeping place. So basically what made this town famous was the salt export and the use of seaweed for fertilization. A lot of towns here in, I think, Portugal, and also a couple of towns in Spain used seaweed for fertilization because they had it readily available. Also before they had the locks, this town used to flood a lot. Similar to Venice. That's why they are compared also with the boats, but the big difference is these boats were for working, for transporting salt and seaweed. Now this town only runs on mainly on tourists because the salt export is way cheaper to buy salt elsewhere than from here. So that means sorry, oh, I'm a bit tired. I've done a lot today. So in other words, now they have 8 of these salt squares left. They used to have 250 where they would every time it was high tide, the salt water would come in, and then when it's low tide the water would dry up, and then there would be salt behind and they harvest the salt. You could buy salt here. Ah, fuck, I should have bought salt here. Well, I didn't. Whatever. Just the history about this town. Okay, I made it to a spot, and there was a dog constantly barking, so I was like, ah, nah, I'm not gonna try to sleep here. Then I decided to drive 50 minutes further to a lake in the middle of nowhere. Unfortunately, it's raining really hard. It's like pouring down. Listen to this. I'm so done with the rain. But for real, I'm so done with it. I mean, I thought it rained in Belgium it rained much. So I thought maybe going to like the south, even in December, it can be as bad as Belgium, can it? Maybe I'm just having bad luck, but this weather is not it. Not it. So yeah. In the morning I'll show you the surroundings. Tomorrow I'm driving to Foz, and then after that to Nazaré. Hopefully there are some big waves tomorrow, but with the luck I'm having, it's probably gonna be pretty flat. Okay, good night, peace out. Fingers crossed for the big waves.